Hello everyone, welcome back to BioYT Academy, and today we'll be answering this question together. And the question says, why does the left ventricle have thicker walls than the right ventricle, even though both are pumping blood? A, because it pumps oxygenated blood to the lungs. B, because it pumps deoxygenated blood to the body. C, because it pumps blood at high pressure to the entire body. D, because it receives more blood than the right ventricle. Now, to answer this question, we have to go back to the foundation. Now, in this question, we're talking about the left ventricle and the right ventricle. And when we're talking about these two, we're talking about the human heart. Or we are talking about the heart. Now, what is the heart? The heart is a muscular organ that works like a pump. Its major function is to push blood around the body so that every organs get oxygen and nutrients. Now, this heart has 4 chambers, which are the right atrium, the left atrium, right ventricle, and the left ventricle. Now, each of these chamber has a different job that they perform in the heart. Now, for the sake of this video and of our time, we're talking about the function of the right ventricle and the left ventricle alone. Now, the left ventricle pumps the oxygenated blood only to the lungs to get oxygenated. So the distance is short because the distance between the heart and the lungs is short. Now, the left ventricle now pumps the oxygenated blood to the entire body. The left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the entire body, which is a long distance. And any pump that needs to push something further must be stronger. Just like in your house, your pumping machine, for if you've noticed, if you have like a tall building and a ground floor, if you want to pump water to this tall building, you require more pressure. It requires more pressure to pump water into this tall building compared to the ground floor. So the same process works for the left ventricle, because the left ventricle needs more muscle thickness to push blood through arteries to the head, legs, liver, kidney, skin, etc., all against resistance. So this requires high temperature. So the correct answer now is the option Z, because the left ventricle have thicker walls than the right ventricle, because it pumps blood at high pressure to the entire body. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, follow so that you can watch more of our videos. Thank you very much.